KOKX radar site and look right over the town of Colchester, just to the north, also near White Plains. And as you see that
the National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Breckinridge County in central Kentucky until 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Hardinsburg, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hardinsburg, Kirk, Garfield, Beers, Locust Hill, Kingswood, Harnett, and Woodrow. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.